Hello, this is Tawanda from Strata Real Estate. I'm here today to show you this beautiful show apartment by Marquis. It's for their new project called Marquis Insignia in Arjan. So as you come in, on the right hand side, you've got your nice laundry room with plenty of extra storage. As you come into the hallway, got your living, dining and kitchen areas with fitted appliances. On the left hand side, you've got your guest washroom. Very nice finishing. And then on the right hand side, you've got your bedroom. Fitted wardrobes, some extra storage on the other side. Very nice finishing and paneling on the walls. And then finally, you've got your guest washroom with plenty of extra niches for storage and your rainfall shower at the end. Extra storage underneath the sink, nice big mirror on the wall. So if you're interested in the project, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Tawanda from Strata Real Estate. The number is 0585 722 309. That's 0585 722 309. Thank you.